hand in hand, sharing dreams across the land. Every voice deserves to shine. This is your story, this is mine. Sasake, Sasake, together we stand, connecting our people throughout the land. Real conversations, hope in every word. Sasake Podcast Network, let your voice be heard. Sasake, Sasake word.
Sanibonani bafethu, igama lami nguMoses lena isisonke podcast network. Namhlanje bafethu sine guest esivakashele. I-guest yethu esivakashele bafethu umuntu ozozazisa, ozositshela ukuthi wenzani. And bafethu ningakhohlwa i-podcast isisonke podcast network isponsora i-OTR Brands. OTR Brands, it's a premium filtered purified still water. Cela sikamanzi mfethu. Cela sikamanzi mfethu bazobona i-brand esisponsayo.
Okay.
Okay, yeah bafethu nawo amanzi. Yiwo la manzi asponsorayo bafethu. Yeah, i-premium filtered still water bafethu. Iyo le is OTR Brands, on the rocks. OTR Brands means on the rocks. And bafethu on the rocks beyine competition, but surprisingly abantu abaningi bebangazi ngayo, kanti bazi ngayo today because namhlanje khona uwinile i-5 gig data ngokuthenga iscoop se-5 liter samanzi bafethu. Njengoba bekathenga iscoop liter se-5 liter samanzi bekune competition. Namhlanje senze i-draw. I-draw yakhona siyipostile lapha ku TikTok, kusisonke podcast network, ku Facebook, kusisonke podcast network na ku YouTube channel. Siyipostile bafethu i-draw. Umuntu owinile igama lakhe likhona lapha ku TikTok bafethu njengoba sipostile i-video. Senizozibonela naye sizom-interviewer, simbuza ukuthi idatha lela liwinile le-5 gig ingabe ulitholile na, ukuthi singathi ukuthi ingabi ngathi manje lento esiyenzayo i-scam bafethu yabo. Okay, so sure bafethu.
Exactly. How's it?
Mnandi.
Sure.
Sharp. So mfethu namhlanje sikuvakashele sicela ukuthi uzazise kubabukeli ukuthi ubani and wenzani.
Okay. My name is Jabu Mate. I am the director of Shepa Pro Electrical. So we specialize with electrical work, commercial, domestic, and industrial, and also do our solar installation. And we also offer our training.
Okay, so what inspired you to become the CEO of Shepa Pro Electrical?
What I can say is for me to see an opportunity, because during that time in 2016 I was a graduate from Ekurhuleni West Tibet College, and during that time bengingasebenzi because I was expecting to ngizosebenza ku Eskom and everywhere, so I was applying and get rejected. Then one day I had a firstborn, then I decided to now let me start ilento le Shepa Pro Electrical by the street style. Ngiqale ngokulungisa amagedlele nama native zakudala.
Okay, so uqale ngokulungisa amagedlela native zakudala, kusho ukuthi manje igedlela nje malifile la endlini nayo yaliqhaqa uthi 1 2 1 2.
Yeah, you see, when it comes to amagedlele, those things are basics.
Yeah,
as an electrician you must know how to fix ilento le amagedlele. If you cannot fix ilento le esifana namagedlele ne stove,
yeah,
so which means you are not yet competent because basic.
Okay,
yes.
So yini into eya-inspire i-journey yakho ku-Shepa Pro Electrical kahle and usisharele i-journey yakho ukuthi uqale kuphi and ukuphi namhlanje?
Okay, what I can say, I started by the street style.
Yeah,
Ngiqale khona nabomkhosi la eFree kaMasango.
sure.
A lot of people, they know me.
Yeah.
I was pushing a wheelbarrow ngihamba ngiya lapha ekhoneni to go and fix my electrical kettles and to promote my business.
Sure.
Bengibhala ngepende
Yeah.
uthi Shepa Pro Electrical. Yabo bengibhala ngepende izinto ezinjalo, so
Yeah,
other people
Kamasango because abantu abaningi abazi Kamasango.
Masango la ePambridge la.
Yeah.
Pambridge.
Kamasango.
4 stop lapha Masango la it's
Sure.
What it's yes.
Yeah.
So I started.
Okay. Niyabona bafethu namhlanje uthi uqale ku-Shepa Pro Electrical, uthi uqale eTheatre kaMasango. But today size kwakhe, sihleli kuma couch, hayi amakhawushinyana bathi namagoma
Ayibona lokho.
Okay, what challenges did you face when starting Isjepa Pro Electrical?
Ama challenges engike ngawafacea, it's a starting capital. You
Yeah.
know, when you start a business without a starting capital, it's very
Sure.
tough. And also the transport.
Yeah,
I did not have a transport, so I was using ilento le ama taxi.
yeah,
Bengihlala nabantu, sometimes I have to go to Glen Vista.
sure.
Bongehlisa le ndawo and then I have to walk nama step ladder and paper ne bag egcwele ngama tools. So it was very hard.
Yeah,
The transport, it was an issue because mabangifonela somewhere, sometimes bengithatha isikhathi ukuthi ukufika la.
yeah.
You understand?
And there izinto zama e-hailing transport bongakasijwayeli.
Hayi lezo nje kahle kahle during that time 2016
Yeah.
bezingakaveli lezinto lezi. Yes, ama Uber lawa izinto zamanje.
Yeah.
Lapho bekumele use transport straight.
Takes walk like a distance.
You walk a distance, if taxi ifike kuyehlisa Hlipperville, then
Yeah.
you kumele ugibele intaba, sometimes kunethi imvula.
Eish.
Uyangithola but ayikho enye into nami kumele ngiyo service client.
Yeah.
And amanye ama client mawufika kanjalo, they take you otherwise.
Sure.
Yes. Nakhona ilento le i-proper shelter.
Yeah.
I did not have a proper shelter. You know where is your business.
Yeah.
Then you locate them by the street style ekhoneni nabomkhosi.
Yeah.
Kula vele ibhizinisi yami bekuyi-workshop yami. It
Kuyi
was
head
everything.
office.
Head office yonke into ngenza i-paperwork lapho everything. So
Shukuthi
injalo.
i-client malithi ngiza kuwe manje bekumele umbize khona lapha.
Yes, bekumele ubize khona lapha estradeni nawomkhosi bekuyi-boardroom yami lapho. Bengenza yonke into. So nakhona bengenza kanjalo remember I was a TVET student, a graduate.
Yeah.
Benganawo ama-tools.
Yeah.
And also benganayo i-compliance because I started
Sure.
my business during that time. I was unqualified. I was not a qualified electrician.
Yeah.
You
But
understand?
umsebenzi bowazi
Yes,
osezandleni zakho.
bengiwazi, there was a guy bambiza uJustice.
Yeah.
Bengihamba naye angikhomba ukuchupela izindlu izinto ezinjalo, ngishaya igrinder uyangithola.
Yeah.
Mangibuye esikolweni bengihlala ngihamba naye.
Yeah.
So it's where I got my exposure.
Okay.
Domestic part.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shukuthi kahle ukuze uqale Isjepa Pro Electrical le
Yes.
experience uyithole usafunda.
Yes, the experience ngithole ngisafunda because
Like not like tertiary level but secondary school.
in secondary school I was not doing science, I was not doing electrical.
Yeah.
So bengenza ilento le stream le se math lit uyabona.
Yeah.
This the skills lesi benginazo already.
Sure.
It was introduced to me mangifika ilento le eKuno Westfield College,
Yeah.
where I had to start NCV.
Yeah.
When I'm talking about NCV, it's someone who you did not do a science,
Yeah.
awunayo imetric.
Yeah.
You can start ugenza ilento le NCV.
Sure.
It's a national vocational certificate.
Yeah.
That course is thatha ilento le 3 years yonke. So
Okay, but yazi le information ibalekile ne leyo cede uyikhuluma manje because abantu abaningi abacomplete ngemetric.
yes.
And manje abana hope baluzi hope ukuthi abazi ukuthi mhlambe mawungacomplete ngemetric you can still qualify ukuthi ungaya e-college, you can still graduate, ungaba i-graduate today.
Yes.
So uthi mawumuntu ongana metric ne
yes.
like you can still go to college but
Yes.
uyoyenza bayibiza ngani
Ilento le NCV.
NCV.
NCV idila ngama levels
Yeah,
from level 2
Yeah.
to level 4.
sure.
So it's a 3 years course.
Yeah.
So it include ilento le knowledge module. Makhuluma knowledge module,
Yeah.
it's where you do the theory part.
Okay.
And it also include what practical.
Practical,
So mawusuka lapha uba nento le uba knowledge, then
Une
you
skill.
also une skills.
Sure.
So mawusuka lapha ku NCV,
Yeah.
you can start your own.
Yeah.
Because yonke lento yenzakala ku industrial nakulento le ku domestic,
Yeah.
it is there.
Angina metric today ne?
Yes.
Ngifuna ukuba yi-electrician.
Yes.
Ngifuna ukufana nawe, ngifuna ukuba
Yes.
Isjepa Pro Electrical today.
Yes.
So angina metric ngiyaya lapha e-college ngiyabatshela ukuthi bafethu into nayi course engifuna ukuyenza, ngifuna ukuyenza i-electric.
Yes.
So bayakuthatha bakufake ku NCV ne?
Yes,
Lapha ku NCV wenza i-theory uphinde wenza i-practical.
Yes. It's a theory and practical.
Yeah.
And there is something that I want to highlight.
Sure.
For you to become a qualified electrician,
Yeah.
you does not need ilento lokuthi ube no metric. The minimum requirement
Yeah.
according to ilento QCTO
Yeah.
is grade 9. And the
Oh,
letter
yini QCTO?
Yes.
QCTO.
QCTO.
Yeah.
It's where our qualification they are coming from.
Okay, oh,
Yes,
qualification
quality.
which you, yeah, okay, yeah, I
Yes.
understand, I'm sure.
If for you to be, when you are a qualified electrician,
Sure,
your ile certificate it must come from EQCTO.
yeah,
You understand?
sure.
So ile into engayisho mawune letter estate ukuthi uJabu
Yeah,
he was working for Eastjepa Pro for ile into for the period of 4 years.
sure,
If you can give me that letter,
yeah,
uphinde unginike ile into your minimum qualification isisho sithi grade 9,
yeah,
you can become a qualified electrician.
okay,
Ungathola a trade test. Then in that trade test it can allow you to work internationally. It's
Yeah.
a trade test, it's a Red Seal section 26. It
Yeah.
allow you to work international. Ungahamba uye lento le uye America, you can still use that
qualification.
Yes.
Yo. Bafethu yabona information ibalekile bese ngayazi yonke le information le. Thina abanye sihleli nabo grade 10 asazi ukuthi senzeni ngabo but at least namhlanje sesiyazi ukuthi namhlanje mawuno grade 10 you can still go to school, you can still go back to school uyoyenza ama practical uye lapha e college ne. Okay, it is qhubeke Sjep, what has been your biggest achievement in business so far?
My biggest achievement is for me to become a qualified electrician.
Yes.
And I'm also a qualified solar installer.
Sure.
And all today I got my own transport.
Yeah.
Yes. And today I got a workshop
Yes.
that I work in.
Yeah.
Before I was working by the stress stand.
Yeah.
But today I got a shelter
Sure.
where you can come and visit our offices.
Okay.
There's a Eastjepa Pro Electrical.
So awusitshela Sjep ukuthi today the biggest achievement yakho ukuthi you can use your own transport beside ukudependela kuma public transport ne as ukhulumile une experience ukuthi no ukuhamba ngama taxi sometimes urana ibusiness akukho easy.
Yes.
Ku difficult. Ugo up like lesikhathi wenza Eastjepa Pro Electrical ne wenza Eastjepa Pro Electrical ufuna i-experience uzibona usebenzela umuntu like wena bozibona uzisebenza.
Okay, to be honest, for me, mangiqala Eastjepa Pro Electrical, it was a survival. It was a hustle.
Yeah.
Because during that time, I had a mindset that time and vele ngiyosebenza kuphi lento le Eskom Metals.
Sure.
Eskom.
Yeah.
But along the way, it's where I realized the advantages for you to be a self-employed.
Yeah.
That although you don't have a pay slip,
Yeah.
you can also run your own
Empire. Yeah.
Yes, your own empire.
Sure.
Yes, remember there is an advantage and disadvantage.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
But when you are self-employed, you can achieve a lot of things.
Yeah.
Someone into budgetela for ilento le maybe for 3 years.
Sure.
Wena ungayenza ngelento le maybe ngeviki.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, shukuthi like athi sibeke ngale ndlela le. Mawurana ibusiness ne
Yes.
kunama advantage
Yes.
nama disadvantage.
Disadvantage,
Ne?
yes.
Okay, mawusebenza
Yes.
uyazi ukuthi each and every month ngine salary ethile engenayo ne.
Yes.
So like ungakhona ukusharela ukuthi ama advantage okurana ibusiness yini nama disadvantage okurana ibusiness yini.
Okay. Because mina ngina experience for these both things.
Yeah.
Ukuba self-employed,
Sure.
ukusebenzela ilento le company.
Yeah.
I was working for a company. I served there for 3 years.
Sure.
And in that company, I was an apprentice during that time
Yeah.
when I was doing my trade test.
Sure.
You understand? So, ibe yangithatha the company to be young employer for the period of literally 3 years.
Sure.
So now the advantage, more servants,
Yeah.
you can get a pay slip. You
Yeah.
understand?
Sure.
Bese uyothatha igolod.
Eish.
And we are qualified for into eningi.
Yeah.
Ungafuni ungasebenza for 3 months,
Yeah.
ube nemoto.
Eish. But impilo yakho manje selapha ekolotweni.
Yes, impilo yakho izoba lapha ekolotweni, but ikenza ukuthi uachieve izinto ongazibudgetela for ilento le for 10 years.
Yeah.
Because for you to get 200,000,
Yeah.
aweke uyibudgete manje 200,000. Noma
Sure.
bathi monthly you earn 30,000.
Yeah.
Uyangithola? Ukubudgeta leyo mali kunzima.
Ukuthatha isikhathi eside.
Yes,
Sure.
so that's why ubona abantu bangena ekolotweni, but into ebalekile thatha isikoloto uwazi ukuthi wenzelani.
Yeah.
You understand? So get business side.
Yeah.
Ama disadvantage uyahamba uyocela loan.
Yeah.
Abakutrust lula bazokutshela ngeBookkeeping. Mina ngusJeba ngiqala eStrati.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
anginayo ibook ile nto le.
Bookkeeping.
Yes, a bookkeeper anginayo.
Yeah.
Umuntu onginceda ngeadmin.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Wena yonke into uyazenzela ama-invoice yonke into uyazibhalela.
Yonke into ngiyazenzela bese bafike lapha bakubuze bathi sinike statement. Mawuthi uyabheka mawungana information,
Yeah.
you will use your personal bank account.
Account, yeah.
Kumele ube ne business.
Eish. Bafethu yazi kunabantu abarana i-side hustle la ngaphandle ne.
Yes.
So umuntu makathi sicela ungisendele imali uvele muthi nje i-personal account imali ihloko. So I was explaining ukuthi like i-business account ne-personal account ihluke kanjani, especially when it comes to ama-loan.
Yes, angithi i-personal account,
Yeah.
it's where you are getting paid.
Sure.
Ngiyabeka kanjalo.
Yeah.
Then a business, it's an account that run izinto ze-business.
Sure.
Let's take I want to buy a socket outlet.
Yeah. Yeah.
I must use my business account. I cannot use my personal.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
Angeke ngihambe ngithathe ikhadi le-business ngiyohamba ngiyoswipe ngale tavern.
Sure.
It's not allowed. Kumele bayi-tracker. Maybe you can go somewhere to do ile nto le. Maybe you are looking for a funding.
Yeah.
They will track there. Bazocheck lapha kule nto statements up.
Yeah.
Ngabona wena KFC kuphi. Most of the time awenzi into ze-business.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
So kumele kube ne-personal account and a business account so that you can separate. Now usiholele ube ne-amount osiholelayo as
Like
individual.
each and every month.
Yes.
Okay, should more run business ne? Hayi ukuthi imali elapha ku business account imali yakho yonke but
No.
imali ye business.
Imali ukuthi save business.
Then nawe kumele ube ne salary. Sometimes salary yakho iba incane.
Yes.
Or eish.
Yeah, iba incane, sometimes you don't get it at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, because remember sisesama business asakhulayo yamthola.
Yeah.
Sometimes awutholi lutho but mangikwazile ukucover ama employees wami,
Yeah.
ngikwazile ukuthela ile nto le petrol,
Yeah.
ngikwazile ukuceda umsebenzi weclient.
Yeah. Yo, abafethu ziyabuya la ngaphandle. What qualities do you believe every successful entrepreneur should have?
Into yokucala integrity.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ile nto le as I'm running Sjeba Pro Electrical,
Sure.
I become the brand.
Yeah.
Yamthola?
Yeah.
Umuntu obona iSjeba Pro Electrical, remember some of the clients yazi ukuthi mawuhambe uyobanika service baqale ba check icompany yakho,
Yeah.
and they go after your personal life. Uyangithola?
Okay, like back search abagugula more now. They want to
Yes.
know more about you.
Yes, you become a brand.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
Kumele kube mawuba i-brand, so which means it will include respect, discipline.
Yeah.
Discipline
Yeah.
is the key.
Sure.
Yangithola?
Yeah.
If
yeah.
you are not disciplined, you will never run a professional business.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
you become brand. Mangibona wena lento le Mr Moses.
Sure.
Mele ngibone ilento le yini sisonke podcast.
Sure.
Izo representa ngakho kunezinye izinto ozithandayo uzogcina ungasazenzi wena.
Because of ngihlonipha ini brand.
I-brand, yes. Yangithola?
Sure.
Njengoba ngeke ngihambe ku lento le ku profile picture yami ngiyopromote ezinye izinto e-business.
Yeah.
Eceleni. Yes, eceleni. These things
Like so
it
should
will align.
nabangani uphethe amabhiya
Hayi, mina my mentor kusanele sokhumalo wangitshela bheka hamba through ama Facebook page wethu.
Yeah.
The time bas incubator lapha eWC for ilento for 18 months.
Yeah.
Afika athi Jabu ngifuna ukuchecka ilento le profile yakho i-account yakho.
Yeah.
Makangena lapha ayangithola ngibambela ibhodlela ini wathi compare hamba ubheke yami.
Yeah.
Ngiyaphuza mara ngeke ngibone ngiposta lezi zinto lezo.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
i-business yakho will become what? Your brand.
It include a personal life.
Yes, it includes your personal life. Because now mina mangizonikeza, let's take wena uyangihire ukuthi ngizokunika i-service.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
Firstly, kumele uqale ubheke ukuthi imali yami izoba safe. Cabanga
Yeah.
ngeza kuwe unginika leyo 10,000 uthi ngenze fit and supply.
Sure.
Utho ukuthi personal lento le personal yami it does not align. Ngithathe ngiyojive ngayo yonke le mali. Then I don't deliver the service.
Eish. Sinini ebusuku songibona etshwaleni lapha ngiyajive ngiyaduduza
So,
ngenza
you
yonke.
see?
Yeah.
So izinto ezinjalo when it comes to business kumele ube ne discipline. Discipline is the key. And kumele ukwazi nokusolve ama problem. We always face problems.
Yeah.
Sometimes we face financial problems.
Go business.
Yes, good business. Ile nto le monthly nokusebenza utho ukuthi ayikho income. Then
At
you
all.
need to pay. Yes, at all kuyenzeka. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Sometimes kunelinye client elikuthembisile, it said that they will pay, then they don't pay you. Mabangakubhadali wena ubuyele emuva, ngizobabhadala ngani
abasebenzi,
ngizobabhadala ngani abo Aaron.
Eish.
So it's something like that.
Hey, yeah. How do you maintain high standard and professionalism in your company?
In my company, sinelento le silandela umthetho weSARS. It's South
Yeah.
African National Standard.
Sure.
When I'm going to do the installation,
Yeah.
let's take Nyenze distribution board.
Sure.
For someone who does not have knowledge, ne?
Yeah.
I can understand angayenza wiring,
Sure.
angayifaki earth wire. And the earth wire is the one that protects dogs and humans against electrocution.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bangachokeki abantu.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Nezinja.
Yes, nezinja.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Inja, remember, where ilento le ugesi ne?
Yeah.
Mawune fault. It
Sure.
look the shortest way. Igesi liyakwazi ukuhamba through ibhadla.
Yeah.
Remember namagiza wethu angithi they are
Sure.
connected namapipe wethu wecopper.
Yeah.
Inja ingafika ithinte lapha or ithinta igate ichoke. You understand?
Sure.
We once came ilento kune scenario space ayenza kune container leyo container leyo bay faulty.
Yeah.
Kahle that container benomlilo bene electricity.
Yeah.
Inja yafika yangena phansi ke container. Sezwe inja ikhala ngenye indlela. So we protect those things. You protect yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, we protect abantu nama client, everything is very important. So we must work according to South African National Standard. And
Sure.
you must ilento le business esiranayo thina. It's
Yeah.
a professional business. When I'm talking about professional business, into engashisa indlu yonke.
Indlu yonke. Yeah.
Remember manje I come into the installation. I'm not complying to you. Bese iyasha indlu.
Yeah.
Ubani uzoba accountable?
Eish. Kuba inkinga le.
Yes.
So what advice would you give to young people who want to start their own business?
Since sifeyisana nento le unemployment rate it's very high.
Yeah.
And then the competition is there.
Sure.
Umuntu, let the person start small.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
I am the living testimony. I started small, my business.
Yeah.
Pushing a wheelbarrow
Yeah.
without any starting capital.
Sure. Yeah.
So, leyo 50 rand or leyo 20 rand bebanginika yona.
Yeah.
I was able to implement it kuphi ke business.
Sure.
Bawunginika i50 rand, I can buy a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Sure. Bawunginika i50 rand, I can go to ilento le to Joburg, take a transport to Joburg.
Yeah.
Nyoyenza ilento quotation. So you can start small, ne?
Yeah.
But start right and get registered. It's
Yeah.
what I can say. You must register your company. To register the company, it's 179.
Yeah.
Aiduri for you to have ECK number. It's
Yeah.
179.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
So kumele lezinto lezo uyirane kanjalo business. You can start small, then you can go and apply for funding.
Okay. So ngicela usiphindele ne ukuthi umuntu ongazi emakhaya uthi ukuregister ibusiness it's a main like it's very important ukudlula zonke izinto.
Yes, it's very important. Angithi kula sikwazi ukutrust khona.
Yeah.
And remember, angithi now kula sikwazi uku-identify i-business in a registration number.
Sure.
When I'm talking about registration number, immediately I punch that number.
Yeah.
Ngakwazi ukulocate ukuthi lona it's ulento le ubut Moses or lona uja.
Yeah.
Because book separate from the others. Angithi you are
Sure.
fighting for growth.
Yeah.
Let us not start a business for ukuthi survive a pay,
Yeah.
but we must have a vision.
Ukuthi ufuna ukuya.
Yes, good to
Business
from
lakho, sure.
Yes.
Okay, so what motivates you to keep pushing forward difficult times?
Yeah, ilento le what motivates me, it's my responsibility.
Sure.
As a husband today, I got a family.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
So when I got a family, abafuna my excuse.
Abantwana badle
Yes,
excuse.
abadle excuse. Angeke ufike uthi and it's not good ukubona alento labantwana bakho balambile.
Sure.
So that thing it will drive you, ngiyangithola.
Yeah.
I got employees. There are people that are looking after ukuthi man ulento le usijepa or ujaba.
Yeah.
Mele eze ne business ukuze sikwazi ukuthola
Survive. Yeah.
So
And then now when am I responsibility?
yes,
Wow.
banama responsibility wabo abanye babhadala ama rent man.
Yeah.
So if as a director, if I will relax, it's
Yeah.
well going to see ukuthi abanye abantu bafisana nani with difficulties.
Sure.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
So ilento le yiyo engikhipha ilento le, it will keep me moving, it motivates me every day. And
Sure.
also into my life. Kunezinto engifuna ukuzi-achieve. I got some goals.
Yeah.
I want to see my company growing. You understand?
Sure.
So that thing, it will drive you every day.
Ukuthi ulibele usebenza.
Man,
noma uzizwa ukuthi ukhathele but awuna chance kunesitshepha kumele abantwana bakumele ngapha umama endlini kumele.
Sometimes when we have to sleep inside the car, sometimes siyohamba siyolala esigangeni emagarage, ngiyalala egarage. I know to sleep egarage mina ngivuka ekuseni hambe ngiyogeza amehlo.
Yo.
For survival.
Eish. Okay, before ngiqhubeka ne. So bengicela ukuthi usishare ukuthi because so sitshelile ukuthi unomndeni, unomama, ukuthi siphume kancane. Ukuthi uhlangane kanjani nomama ukuze nibe together today. Because like zama ukukhuthaza abantwana la ngaphandle yabo ukuthi ukuhlala nomama kumnandi ukuhlala nomama kunzima understand
yes yeah you take me back ezinye izinto menze ngasikhipha nezinyembezi ngiyangithola
sure
into engayisho naye la khona ngiyathemba ubukile understand
sure
umama ngahlangana naye during that time bengigraduate
sure
naye bekafunda I think she was doing grade 11
sure
masihlangana nonkosikazi wakhe usunkosikazi we are married angithi
ngiyacela usibonise ring sivezele ring
bayibona ring ngishadile impela ngishadile
sure
yeah so ilento le mangihlangana naye beka buye esikolweni ungithola nje ngubhuti bengisithandela ukuzigcokela ngizigcokela ama MX lezinjalo presentable yangithola mangihlangana naye esikolweni kwafika la mina nasihlangana uyazi connection akusithe sizenzela i-connection
sure
ungithola vele during the week mina busy ngiyabushaya angithi ngiyabshaya bengiphuza during that time bese ngihlangana hayi ngibona lento le umugeli then hayi madodana igeli ngiyamlanda
sure
mangimlanda masihlangana hayi usisi wabantu naye uyathaba indaba ubona i-gentleman and i-connection masamba kanjalo ngabeka izinto ngakhuluma naye senza yonke into then we came to an agreement ukuthi mina naye siyathandana kanti hey mina ngiyazifaka
on the spot
I tell you ngiyazifaka saphusha nosisteri bengazi ukuthi mina usisteri ungale kumajiji man uyazi inkonzo kaShema
hey
kanti kuzoyenzakala mfethu ngizakala idayingi I mina naye siya connect mthola then esidlala live Davi and so forth
sure
then we make love then she became pregnant bakaba pregnant bafu in that time angisebenzi akuna income akunalutho
nangumntana sekakhona
then uyazi umthetho wali mawumprekisile kungowakho bamthatha walethwa ugogo ngabona ugogo egate
once wamithisa intombazana yasekuphakameni automatically sokumfazi wakho
kumele kube umfazi wakho man because bheka khumbula mfethu mawupractice usisi ubani uzoba responsible
for umntana wakho naye
umntana wakhe mina mfethu kubeka yenzakala bangilethela yena abangilethela yena mfethu
stress nakubazali manje
stress nakubazali because mfethu into entsha lena
aniyazi understand yenzakala
as understand ukuthi yenzakalani base ngitshela bathi hayi sisi ukhulelwe and ubaba bakhe beka nomthetho bafika bamshiya ubhuda akasebenzi ubhuda usagcwele ukudlala ngisagcwele amathaveni ngisagcwele yilento party yangithola anginale endlini bamlethe endlini
and ngapha abangani futhi influence
ngapha abangani mfethu and ngapha ubhuti bekasithandela abo girl naye yangithola bengingafuni ukuma ngenyawo elilodwa kusho kanjalo ngithola so usisi ungene stressing naye usisi usasemusha naye sekaluza idignity yakhe esontweni because labantu bayahlolwa phela
naye aka understand ukuthi la ngizifake khona kahle kuyenzakalani
naye aka understand yena usitholela ubhuti ngithi but manje for logo nami ngibe ngacala lapho ngacala ngaba responsible mangikhuluma ukuba responsible kula kuqale khona ukukhula kwami.
Sure.
And see now ukuthi I will be a parent.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
The time apreki angifuna uqamba manga bengidlala.
Yeah.
Bengiwayenza ama-party, besiwayenza ama-bash endini ngana stress.
Sure.
But immediate sithole first born.
Yeah.
Kula kuqale kavule umqondo khona. When I saw my father angithengela ama-pampers. You understand?
Sure.
La ngibona umzali wami angithengela khona ama-pampers, it's where I decided ukuthi angifuni kulento le umzali wami athengele umntana ama-pampers.
Ngifuna ukumthengela mina
Ngifuna
ama-pampers.
ukumthengela, ngifuna ukuba responsible.
Sure.
Yes, then kula ngicela ngakhula usisi nginaye manje I think mase sithena 10 years.
Yeah.
Yes, 10 years ngihlala naye.
Eish.
Yena ngihlale naye at the age abhekana 19 years.
Yeah, when
I was 23 years mangiqala ukuhlala naye until today. Njengoba ngina 32 years today.
So ivalile nekhalenda manje.
Yeah,
Le adulting, ne? So lana asihlalanga noSjepa Pro phela but sihleli ne ministry. uSjepa iministry so ngena kusigaba sokuthi asisharele ijourney yakhe eministry ukuthi uqale kanjani ukuba iministry kuyenzakaleni ukuthi abe iministry ngoba namhlanje uSjepa Pro uyiministry today and uya preach esontweni. As a preacher, how has your faith influenced your business and your personal life yakho?
what I can say ilento le influence engithole as for mina ukuthi ngibe kulento le ku ministry.
Yeah.
Singibe inqeko.
Yeah. Kube inqeko kaNkulunkulu.
Yes,
But not just inqeko kaNkulunkulu.
Yeah, ngi-preacher, I'm the evangelist of God.
Sure.
Yeah, singabantu abashukumisa. So into engayisho,
Yeah.
remember when you start a business,
Sure.
you need a faith.
Yeah.
Kunama-verse bewangi-influencer kakhulu. Singakhuluma
Sure.
ngencwadi kaHebrews chapter 11.
Yeah.
La ikhuluma ngakhona ithi faith is the substance of things hoped for and the things that are not seen.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So for wena uzoqala ukuthi ube entrepreneur, you must have faith.
Sure.
Ukuthi definitely sure.
Yeah.
Into yami izawusebenza. Uyangithola?
Sure.
And mina bengisifundela lama-verse lawa amotivateayo kakhulu, uyangithola?
Yeah.
Like abo Jeremiah 29, uyangithola?
Sure.
I know the plans that I have for you, the plan to prosper you.
Yeah.
Mangifunda lawo ma-verse bengivela ngibe energetic.
Like bokhuthala,
Yes.
bokhuthaza.
Mfethu mangiphusha ingolovani yami mfethu, uyangithola? Bengiyiphusha ngeconfident ukuthi lento le izawenzeka.
Sure.
And ilento le ivangeli iministry ngiyayibonga kakhulu because kula bengatholi discipline.
Yeah.
Yeah, bengana discipline.
Sure.
Bengana discipline, bengana ndaba ukuthi abantu bathi
yenzakalani.
uyangithola? There was once la bengathola ukuthi bengithola iproject enkulunyana.
Yeah.
Ngahamba ngayophuza imali ebusiness yonke. Uyangithola?
Sure.
And kusasa kumele ngiyolento le kumele ngiyotiva umsebenzi. Uyangithola? But for mina ukuthi ngihlangane nabantu abadala.
Yeah.
Bangifundisa bathi ndoda, you must be responsible in your life.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie. Nonkosikazi wami bekumele ngimreject.
Yeah.
Ngithi angeke ngiqhubeke naye but abantu abadala bebakwazi ukungihlalisa nabo. But mawungamthatha wena because mina life yami, business, life yami zihlangene nento le personal ziyahlangana sonke ziya-align.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
So i-discipline lapha ngitholile.
Yeah.
Ne-encouragement, the word of encouragement.
Sure.
Ngayithola through into le preaching uyangithola.
Yeah.
Nokuthi ngibe nenhliziyo to give back. That's
Sure.
why today I'm not ashamed to give free trainings.
Yeah.
Lama trainings aban offer wona i-training center for you to be in a training center for one day.
Yeah.
It's 600. But
Sure.
ngiyakwazi ukuyenzela abantu for free the whole week. Is the method that I use to give them the skills, to share the skills.
Onaso.
Enginaso ngishare
Sure.
ukuthi someone he can get an ends meet.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
So ilento le through a ministry. If it was not a ministry, I was going to think about myself.
Yeah.
Yes, but in business you need faith. Uyangithola?
Sure.
You need faith.
So awusitshele Sjepa ne because abantu abaningi they believe ukuthi if you are a preacher and you are a ministry, the only thing that you are after it's money. So can you maybe share us an information about that? To be a ministry is not like you are after money or you want to be rich or you want to be successful, but beside the ministry and you have your own business. You are not a ministry because you are after money. Can you share us that information? Because most of the people are confused. about that.
Yeah, singeza ngapha ku ministry.
Sure.
Abantu bathi it's all about making money.
Yeah.
Thola abantu wenza imali.
Sure.
It's not all about that. It's
Yeah.
all about changing lives.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
And for ilento le church to grow, a ministry to grow,
Yeah.
obviously iyayidinga imali.
Sure.
Mayidinga imali sikhuluma ngokuthi you have to pay rent and so forth.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Sure.
So lezinto lezo abantu bevele bathi hayi sivele sifuna imali mawuqala ukumaphambili uthi hayi ngicela imali omnikelo.
Sure.
But manhlangana nabantu abafana nathi.
Yeah.
Ilento le as mina ilento le ngiyi directorship pro
Yeah.
and I'm a qualified electrician.
Sure.
Mina imali yami to feed my family ngihamba ngiyosebenza.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Sure.
Nginokuhamba kwezinye indawo siyo preacher.
Yeah.
Abantu bayadepend abanye mabakuzo they can give you ukuthi hayi ndoda agcwalisa ipetrol.
Yeah.
But lento le it's all about to impact lento le ukuthinta abantu uyangithola
Change impilo zabantu.
change impilo zabantu.
Yeah.
Yes ngiyabeka kanjalo. It's
Sure.
not all about money, it's to change ukuthi ukhulume kulento le to give someone hope uyangithola.
Yeah.
Uthola umuntu udiscourage ufike umtshele ndoda ukuthi ikenzeka nothing is impossible with God uyangithola.
Yeah.
Ufike umtshele ngeincwadi ezifana lento le Ecclesiastes chapter 3
Sure.
uthi into nento enesikhathi sayo emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Ngenzeka abanye umuntu namhlanje ngoba sikhuluma umunye ubhekile lapha uyasho ukuthi mina ngidlulelwe isikhathi.
Yeah,
Uyangithola.
yeah, sure,
Uyasho ukuthi akukho mina la ngizoya khona uyangithola.
Yeah.
Yabona mawuthi udlulelwe isikhathi thina sivele sikufaka encwadi kaGenesis.
Yeah.
La khona uAbraham wathola indodana sekamdala.
Sure.
At the age of 99 years
Eish.
wathola into zakhe. Uyangithola. So
Yeah.
iministry kumele change impilo. Mani yazini awu empilweni for wena to be motivated you only need a word.
Yeah.
A word can lingakuvulela eminye iminyango.
Sure.
Yes.
So like told maybe sometimes abanye abantu they lose hope ngaphandle like umuntu azitshela ukuthi okay fine mina impilo yami nayi namhlanje like ngiluze hope ngiyazi vele akukho la ngiyakhona ngiphelelwe la ngikhona yabo so kulawo bantu labo ngathini kulabantu abaluze hope
Mina into engayisho if there is life
yeah
there is hope. Uyabona mawusaphila.
sure
Ungavuka kusasa uyimillionaire.
yeah
Sasa mawusaphila.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
It's possible.
It's possible mawusaphila.
sure
You can be a millionaire. Uyangithola.
sure
And mawusaphila kuningi izinto ezingakulandela just isikhathi sethu asifani.
sure
Uyangithola.
yeah
Kunenye indoda beyenza umzekelo uyangithola.
Sure.
Ithi abanye abantu baphethe abnormal load.
yeah
Uyangithola.
sure
I-abnormal load mayihamba endleleni ne
Yeah.
i-slow mariphatha into ezinkulu. Uyangithola.
sure
I-normal cows ayibona ishesha. Ngenzeka abanye bahamba ngamapholo.
Yeah,
Uyangithola.
yeah, ngaphambili nasemuva, yeah.
Bahamba ngamapholo babhizi bayakudlula.
Yeah.
Kanti wena uphethe ini i-abnormal load. Uza nento enkulu lento ukuthi when God bless you, he bless you until your cup it overflows. When the cup it overflows is the cup that it can help others. Kunabanye abantu abayobenefita ngesuccess yakho. So
Ngesuccess
ithemba
yakho, yeah.
selahle. We don't lose hope.
Eish. Yeah, so how do you balance ministry and family responsibilities?
Yeah, so uyabona makufika kanjalo. Mina masithi Sunday
Yeah.
angisebenzi.
Yeah.
Unless mangisebenza ke company
Yeah.
ethi kumele sisebenze Sunday.
Sure.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
So ifamily ngiba naso isikhathi sefamily ngama weekend.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Sure.
Besivama ukuphuma siye buma Joburg Zoo.
Yeah.
Sinjalo siyothola entertainment.
Sure.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
So into ebalekile ukwazi isikhathi sekuthi la I have to work
Yeah.
and I have to be in the house.
Sure.
And mawusendlini you must be a father.
A father to your kids and
to
your wife.
kids. Yes, bangakhohlwa abantwana.
Yeah.
Besenzisa ukuthi hayi siyenzwa ngenxa yebusiness. So
Sure.
you need to live a balanced lifestyle.
Yeah. So hayi ukuthi kumele uprioritize ibusiness ukudlula ifamily yakho ukuthi mabakubuza ukuthi manje baba awususpend isikhathi nami uthi hey phela ngingakhohlwa nginebusiness ekumele ngirane kunokudle kumele ngikuthenge ayifiki kuleyo point leyo.
Leyo that point ne
Sure.
la prioritize business kuya ukuthi ngama project angakanani.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Sure.
Obvious masenze umsebenzi we have to deliver banokufika bathi hayi isikhathi vela awunaso ba.
Yeah.
Sometimes ngiyafika endlini kumele ngiphusha ama quotation uyazi mawulento le mawusakhula
Yeah.
uyi-office wena uyonke
Yonke into
everyday ngithola
Sure.
bese bakhale ngesikhathi bathi hayi isikhathi asinaso
Yeah.
but lento ebamotivateayo
Sure.
mababona ama-achievement
Yeah.
uyangithola nabo bathola lento le when they get food
Yeah.
uyangithola igrocery bayibona
Yeah.
those things kumele ibe accountable iyafika vele athi awunaso isikhathi unesikhathi sebusiness
Yeah.
because remember as a service provider sidila ngama-breakdowns
Sure.
bayangifonela ngo-1 am bayangifonela ngo-3 ngiyaphuma
Hey.
Yeah.
Shoot kahle kahle ulala ngelihleliwana.
ya ulala ngelihleli wani that's why
Yeah.
amafoni wethu kumele ahlala active
Hey.
uyangithola
So awusitshela ukuthi i-education ibaluleke ngani kuwe?
Education they always say is the key to success.
Yeah.
Nabanye baphumelela banganayo education.
Sure.
So education when it comes to our field,
Yeah.
mawunalama qualification ayakwazi ukuvulela ama opportunities.
Sure.
And ayakwazi ukuthi bakukholele according to your what, to your qualification.
Then
Then it enhance your knowledge.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. Kuyakunceda ukuthi ukwazi ube ne reasoning. Uyabona wathatha umuntu if you can take ilento le i-electrician
Sure.
efundile electrician engafundanga you will get a different because lo munye lo unayo experience
uyawazi ugesi and they always say ugesi ngiyawazi angangitshela.
Yes, angekungitshele ngithola.
Sure.
Bese lo munye ufundile uyawazi ugesi and uwazi ne principle because ugesi ungawabona ama-light alayitile manje. You need to know ukuthi kulama light kuza ama-light alight.
Sure.
There is voltage, there is current.
Yeah.
For wena to work for the professional companies.
Sure.
Kumele ukwazi ukusina because kunala sibhala khona ama report. Let's take you go to the breakdown. Uyangithola. So kula uzobona khona ukuthi ukubaleka ku education kufika kuphi. In terms of writing.
Sure.
That's education. In terms of reasoning.
Sure.
The education uyangithola. Singwazwena sinini uthathela umsebenzi ngomuntu ongawazi umsebenzi.
Because
you don't have qualification. Let's take lo msebenzi wethu. Bafike nje bathi nayi project.
Sure.
But we need a certified electrician. Umuntu onelento le certificate ulento le une wireless license. When uyafika you une experience una yonke into but awuna amaphepha. So guys, education is very important.
Sure.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
Iyakuvulela iminyango. Ebathi valekile. Iyakuvulela and iyakwazi ukuconnect.
Sure.
Uyangithola. Ungazithola uyosebenza e-United States njengoba bengisho namhla ukuthi mawune trade test you can work international.
Sure.
It's what you need to do it through what education.
Sure.
Yes.
So awusitshele ukuthi i-advice ongayinikeza ama student academically ukuthi yini?
I-advice engayinikeza ama student man, it's all about studying hard. Kumele ufunde kakhulu uyangithola. Nakhona avoid peer pressure. Indaba remember sisuka kuma families are different.
Sure.
Abanye basuka kuma families anemali. I was about to say into ebalekile focus on your studies.
Sure.
Ngambona lo muntu namhlanje lo hlekisa ngawo lo eclass. Athi wena ugcoka ilento le ibhathi edabukile. Uyangithola. Thina sakhula kanjalo. Athi ugcoka ifake uthola uze ube ne low self esteem yoke esikolweni.
Sure.
Uthi bazofika babhekele ibhathi yakho.
But
into ebalekile lapha is for you ukuthi wazi ukuthi uzeleni esikolweni.
Sure.
Bayeka abangani lahaba
Abarish
abenza yonke into nalabo abanye aba-influencer abathi wena uyislim. Uyabona islima namhlanje sisebenzela sona because now islima namhlanje si-educated. Amajita amaclever amaningi lapho esiwabona namhlanje sikubonya uphi.
Powerful. So but awusitshela ukuthi how can a business leader contribute to community development?
Into ebalekile i-community development. Ama-leader kumele alento le a-sponsor.
Into ama sponsorship.
Yes, njengoba nawe uthi usponsor yini?
The OTR
brands.
Sure.
So nayi leader investile. Uyangithola. Iyabona ukuthi nayi podcast yaseKasi. And where we going to share ilento le abantu abavulenda because na information to learn mama na information buff. Ungajikeleza instead of uye la inokusonto ngamona ungaqala uphume eJoburg. Because awuna information. Mina ngayibekela ngomzekelo mina it took me 6 years ukuthi ngibe qualified electrician. But omunye namhlanje it can take him a year ukuthi abe qualified because now sengine information. So ama-leader kumele invest, uyangithola?
Sure.
Kumele invest kulento le,
Sure,
kulama
sure.
organization.
Yeah.
And also kumele banike abantu ama-opportunity. Mangikhuluma ngama-opportunity,
Yeah.
abantu bayafunda, they are dominated.
Yeah.
Akanayo work exposure, akanayo experience.
Yeah.
Ufunda i-theory kuphela. So labantu mabeza bazovolunteer ecompany yakho, uyangithola?
Sure.
So you are improving that person.
Yeah,
Ukuthi
yeah.
abe ready what? Abe competent for e-field.
You feel sure.
Yes, we must also give in service in trainings.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey. What role does mentorship play in building your future as a future leader?
Uyabona i-mentor, it's someone uyabuye uyobheka yena. Uthi inyathelo zakhe zinjani. When I'm talking about le journey business le. Mina ngilento le ngingaba na 9 years ngirana le business, uyangithola?
Sure.
Kuba nesinye isikhathi ofila ngathi lento ye business le ayisebenzi. You become discouraged.
Yeah.
But if you have a mentor,
Sure.
he will motivate you, uzoku-advise,
Guide through.
akuguide through ukuthi wena ungenza
Ukuthi
kanjani.
kanjwa kanje.
Yes.
Jika la.
Yes.
Awuyile nasi step ekumele usithathe.
Iwapha ama-qualification for wena ukuthi
Sure.
ngifike la ngikhona ungawathatha.
Yeah.
Iwapha ama-challenges as mina ngiphambili kuwe.
Yeah.
Uyangithola engiwafacile ukuze ngifike la ngikhona.
Sure.
So we need a mentor.
Sure.
Mawurana without a mentor, fana ukuthi
Uyindlela nje but
uyindlela engana direction. Uyangithola?
Sure.
Uzokwazi kanjani ukuba connecta kanjani kuma-tender?
Sure. Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah,
Uzokwazi kanjani ukuthi iwaphi ama-organization la afana ama-business. But
Sure.
mawunemento bayakwazi ukulento le ukuhlala nawe phansi bakuguide through that process.
Okay, sicela usitshele ne as lapha sibheka ukuthi like uyi motivational speaker, ane?
Yes.
So ukuba i motivational speaker, ukuba i ministry and ngapha ube i MC and ngapha urana ibusiness, zonke lezo zinto lezo alana kanjani ngapha uyi husband and ngapha futhi unabantwana, like zonke lezo zinto lezo alana kanjani nempilo yakho?
Lezi zinto lezo impilo yami,
Yeah.
impilo impact abantu abaningi.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Njengoba manje sikhuluma kule podcast,
Sure.
ukhona kusasa nje ukuthi mina nginama qualification or ngine skills.
Yeah.
Let me go and register my company.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
For you to be a motivational speaker, kumele kuhambiselana nezenzo zakho.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Yeah,
Masikhuluma ngeministry nakhona, mina iministry engiyiphushayo ile yoku-evangelize.
Yeah.
Mas-evangelizer is to bring abantu, uyangithola,
Yeah, sure.
ku-ministry ukuthi bathole le discipline or bathole le source esiyitholile
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
siyenze lezi zinto esizenzayo.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
So lento le impilo yami, it aligns with those things.
Sure.
Yes.
So iSjapa Pro uyiboni kuphi in 5 years time?
iSjapa Pro in 5 years time,
Yes.
ngibona ilento le kuyi-company
Yeah.
ezoba around different provinces.
Sure.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
And I see myself also operating since ngine-accredited training center.
Yeah.
Last trainer khona abantu.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukubona i-training center yami
Yeah.
ibe khona to other provinces.
Yeah.
And even the number that I employed,
Sure.
manginomsebenzi oyi-1,
Yeah.
kumele ba-multiply. Uyangithola?
Sure,
Because
sure.
it's not all about lento le ujabu manje.
Yeah.
The time bengisaqala ukuthi i-business, it's all about me.
All about
But
you.
On the
Yeah.
long process,
Yeah.
it's why I realized ukuthi lento lena is not all about me. It's
Yeah.
all about us. Uyangithola?
As a company, but not
Yes.
as an owner, but as a company, like abasebenzi.
Yes.
Client ngapha. Sure.
Yes, it's all about us.
Yeah.
Yes.
So awusitshele mfethu ukuthi abantu abafuna ukuconnecta neSjapa Pro bangakuthola kuphi, bangakuthola kanjani, and kunabo mama la ngaphandle abafisa mhlawumbe ukuba ku ministry yakho, na ku ministry yakho batholakala kuphi, and mhlawumbe kunabantu la ngaphandle abafuna ukubooka ukuthi like MC.
Yes.
Yabo ukuthi ube i-MC yabo nakhona utholakala kuphi, and futhi naye balekile futhi ama-tutorials, i-tutorial iyebaleke kakhulu, like i-skill development njengoba ushilo ukuthi wenza ne-skill development, unokuthatha like elokishini abantwana ubanikeze i-free training.
Yes.
Yeah. So awusitshele ukuthi like bangaconnecta kanjani na?
Okay, for ukuthi abantu ba-connecte nathi, you can go ile nto le njengoba manje kuyisikhathi sama-social media.
Yes.
You can go kule nto le ku-Facebook.
Yeah.
Utype ile nto le Isjepa Pro Electrical.
Yeah.
Ungakwazi ukusithola.
Sure.
Naku-TikTok.
Sure.
Siyatholakala. If you can type the same name, Isjepa
Yeah.
Pro Electrical,
Sure.
ungasithola. Naku-Google.
Yeah.
If you can type the same name,
Sure.
Isjepa Pro Electrical, ungasithola.
Sure.
So nakhona futhi mawusifuna sisebenza nento le siyatholakala la eKatoras. I-training center yethu la eKatoras.
Yeah.
E-WC,
Yeah.
West Tibet College,
Sure.
Incubation Center.
Yeah.
I-training center yethu lapha esikolweni. Sine
Sure.
branch la ngakamasango la workshop yethu.
Sure.
La kumasango main road la ePalmbridge.
Yeah.
Ula ungasithola khona.
Sure.
Uyangithola. So if you want lento le to go after my personal life,
Yeah.
you can type lento le uthi Jabumathi.
Yeah.
Yeah, uzangithola ku Facebook.
Okay.
Ula ungangibhuka khona, and also you can use this number.
Yeah.
Is 073
Sure.
70 93 526. You can call or WhatsApp 073 70 93 526.
Okay. Then the website.
The website is www.sjepaproelectrical.co.za.
Okay.
Yes.
So sisiqhubeke ke mfethu ne. So awusitshele mfethu islogan sesisonke ne uniting voice.
Yes.
So ichaza ukuthini ngo?
Mawuthi come to unite.
Yeah.
Then voice.
Sure.
The way to unite is in the ukuthi la sihlanganyelwa khona.
Sure, yeah.
Is to speak and acting, ne?
Sure.
And standing together as one. You understand?
Sure.
Through a goal.
Yeah.
You understand?
One. Sure.
Yes. Our goal, man, is for us to get growth.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
It's for us to share information.
Sure.
Ukuthi abantu basazi le.
Hey.
You understand?
Sure.
So, it's simple is to speak
Yeah.
and acting
Sure.
and what? And standing together. Ane?
Sure.
As one. Ane?
Yeah.
You understand? Through a goal.
Sure.
Asibambeni kanjalo.
Okay. Bafethu uSjepa Pro ne uthe uqale ibusiness ane 00000 ku bank account ne.
Yes.
But today une company eranayo edependele kuye, unabasebenzi abadependele kuye,
Yes.
une training center, unama training center adependele kuye. Ngapha bafethu une sonto which is a church adependele kilo.
Yes.
A church nawo badependele kuye, abo mama nabo baba. Ngapha futhi kunabantu abambhukayo ukuthi ayoyenza iMC. Ngapha futhi uyitucha. Kuningi bafethu kuningi ngaze kushonilanga. So awusitshele ke ukuthi isonto lakho litholakala kuphi?
Ile nto le Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of God
Fellowship. Sine branch la ePalmbridge.
Yeah.
Ya la ngase area lebu.
Yeah.
Bese sinenye branch eThokoza.
So ngakho usisharela iaddress ye branch yami.
I-address kwamanje la angiphethanga but mawungena ku-Assemblies uthi Phenduka eThokoza.
Phenduka yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Ungasithola kune double story esinayo lapha ePhenduka.
Yeah.
Next to ile nto le hostel.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
Bese le enye la ePalmbridge ila le nto le la ngase area lebu.
Yeah.
Mawufika next to i-station gas.
Yeah.
Ya kunomkhukhunyana okhona lapha.
Okay.
Yes.
So eThokoza ne double story.
Ya eThokoza ile nto le i-double story siya rent, it's a rental.
Ngoba ngizama ukubalansisa ukuthi eThokoza i-double story but ePalmbridge etsiye umkhukhu yeah.
Angithi lapha eThokoza
Yeah.
indawo kaBishop.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Kula tholakala khona le branch le.
Oyikho ePalmbridge.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kahle iyamo expand kahle.
Yeah, iyango expand.
All right. So if you could sit down with your younger self today ne yipi advice ongazinikeza yona?
I-advice engazinikeza yona.
Yeah. Sibuyisele isikhathi emove. Ukuthi uSjepa Pro asesemncane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hayi into engasho ukuthi bekumele ngisitike kakhulu kule nto le ku-education.
Sure.
Yeah, because now ngoba bengazi ukubaleka education.
Sure.
I think now bengizoba engineer.
Yeah.
But akakabi late.
Yeah.
Asasekhona lamathuba.
Amathuba yeah.
Uyathola.
Sure.
And nakhona mangibuyele emuva nalento le yokutshintsha amantombazana. Bekuyinto engayi-avoida because ziningi inhliziyo esisihlukumezile. You understand? Baningi abaphatheke kahle, especially umunye bekaplane na ukuthi hey man ngifuna
Yeah.
wena ngifuna ukukushada uyangithola.
Sure,
Mase
sure.
akubona today usuccessful.
Yeah.
Uyangithola bayafisa ukubuya back.
Sure.
So izinto besingasirectify but ilento le besingalonayo ilento le education idiscipline.
Yeah.
To avoid into eziningi uyabona partying.
Yeah.
Kumele ube nesikhathi to have fun.
Yeah.
Kumele uzibalance lezinto lezo.
Sure.
Thina besipusha lapha ile besinfluence ngabantu esibabona abayenza izinto eziphumile endleleni.
Yeah.
Sikhohlwe ngalabayenza grant.
Sure.
Abantu lapha bathanda isigela.
Yeah.
Sidayi lezi ilimi.
Abobhari la.
Yes,
Yeah.
amabhari but
Sure.
namhlanje masesibheka reality.
Yeah.
Nabantu laba bayatop.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, before si rap ne because ngibona ngathi isikhathi sesishayile.
Yes.
Yeah, ngoba isikhathi like kumele silimit isikhathi ngoba isikhathi sibalekile bafethu.
Yes.
So, cela usitshele usishare lamazwi okugcina ne for ulusha la ngaphandle njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kunabantu abaningi abaluzi hope.
Yes.
Kunabantu abaningi abanga understand ukuthi empilweni yabo kuyenzakalani ne. La ngaphandle kunama families abhayizisekayo kunabantu like uzothi uyangena umuntu avele akuthele ngeinyembezi akutshele the way balale bangadlanga ngakhona bana 2 days 3 days bangakwazi ukudla yabo like izinto nje azihlangani.
Yes.
Yabo like nabantwana babo bagcine sebaba influenced entweni ezi wrong sebagcine sebayenza izinto ezi wrong especially ngizokhuluma kakhulu amantombazana yabo because amajita like amajita hasila hard ngibona amajita baya anokuvuka ekseni anokhe like acela ukwasha imoto like for example neimoto la maybe ngene intwana ithi mfethu ngicela ukwashela imoto noma ngabe unganginikeza noma ngabe yini yabo kuba lula but especially amantombazana nawo agcine sewayenza izinto ezi wrong because of isituation yasendlini akukho lula like ziyabuye yabo so like ungathini la ngaphandle like usinikeze nje amazwi okugcina usinikeze amazwi okugcina njenge uSchepha Pro Electrical usinikeza amazwi okugcina njenge ministry usinikeza amazwi okugcina njenge MC usinikeza amazwi okugcina njenge Tucha.
Okay, into engayisho when you have a vision write it down on the plain tablet.
Yeah.
Umbono uyabhalwa phansi
Sure.
ukuze whoever read that vision shall follow. Ngithola.
Yeah.
Njengoba namhlanje silalele sisonke podcast ne?
Yeah.
It was a vision.
Sure.
You wrote it down.
Yeah.
Ukuthi I want to see lento le podcast yami ukuthi idile ngabantu basegazi.
Sure.
Njengoba nani ngithole thina kuSchepha Pro nisinike ithuba.
Yeah, sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So akunandaba ukuthi ibusiness yakho ingakanani.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola.
Sure.
But there is still an opportunity for growth.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
So enye into engayisho ilento le kulabantu seba like they had give up in life.
Sure. Sure.
Mina into engayisho ngasho ukuthi ungayiki ukwenza kahle.
Yeah.
When I'm talking about don't stop doing good ne.
Sure.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi indlela osiconducta ngayo.
Yeah.
Or that respect.
Sure.
Or lezi into like you are helpful kwabanye abantu ne.
Sure.
Ungayiki because kunabanye abantu today seba discourage ukuthi kuyafana ngiyabanceda they don't help me back, you understand?
Sure.
So now don't stop doing good, you understand?
Sure.
Ngoba ngesikhathi esifanele uzawuvuna.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure.
So into engayisho guys, let us press pusha phanda.
Yeah.
One day kuzawuhlangana. Awazi ukuthi into zakho wena zibekwe kuphi.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthola.
Yeah.
Gijima ngalamandla onikwe wona. Gideon ngikhuluma ngabo Gideon banamhlanje ngithola.
Yeah.
Akunandaba ukuthi inumber which number abantu abarejectayo which number abantu abahlukana nawe but ngithi Gideon wanamhlanje gijima ngalamandla onikwe wona. There is a race that we have to run.
Sure. Itholakala ku Facebook.
Yes. In lento indaba ke Gideon ithola kulento ku judges.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Cela usinikeze advice njenge MC. Yama event, imishado, ama birthday parties and so forth and so forth.
Yeah, so advise mfethu kumele uhlale une strategy.
Yeah.
Yazi mawumile lapha ilento le pulpit or umile lapha stage. It's all about entertaining people. Kumele abantu bathi wow. Uyangithola? Sifuna ukuyenza lento le. Into yokumoyenza kumele uyenze ngeenergy. Uyangithola nami manje ngizama ukukhuluma ngeenergy, uyangithola? Yes, ukuthi wena obhekile umtshele ukuthi hayi nawe nyakaza la ukhona, uyangithola? Into zakho zizohlangana, uyangithola? Uthi nawe uthi sanibonana, uyangithola? Sometimes uvela uthi high five mark, uyangithola? Ngibanga ukuthi high five mark enkonzweni, uyangithola? So sibambe la. Sure.
Guys, what an amazing podcast we had today, bafethu. Bafethu, ningakhohlwa bafethu ungena lapha ku YouTube channel ne. ni click that button, subscribe button, ne?
Sure.
And like abafethu, it doesn't take even 2 seconds. Just click that button, like, and if on a comment you have something to share yona abafethu, or if you want to be part of a podcast, cela usibhalele lapha ku YouTube channel, or kuma comment, or usibhalele lapha ku Facebook, or usibhalele lapha ku TikTok. TikTok yethu TikTok handle, it's Sisonke Podcast Network. Ku Facebook, it's Sisonke Podcast Network. YouTube, it's Sisonke Podcast Network. Nalapha ku X sikhona, but asikho active kangako. Nakhona it's Sisonke Podcast Network bafethu. Siyabonga kulabo abasikhonile ukusilandela. Sibonge futhi nokusponsor sethu. Siyacela bafethu ukuthi niqhubeke kanjalo nesisupport bafethu ne. Ngicela uyicacise indaba ye subscribe ne. Uma uzusubscribe lapha ku YouTube channel, uma uzuclicka that subscribe button, it's for free. It's free of charge to click the subscribe button. Click that subscribe button ku YouTube channel. YouTube channel, it won't charge you anything. Or I'm not libhaliwe nje lapha subscribe. Then subscribe. Phinde futhi ucofele la button lela. Uma uyithanda i podcast, ucofele la button ulike. Ulike. Uma unombono ofuna ukusisharela wona, kune comment section. Uyabhala lapha kuma comment section bafethu. Uma ufuna ukuba part of i-podcast ngizoyiphinda futhi usibhalele ku TikTok, Facebook na ku X. Sibonge kakhulu soyivala namhlanje bafethu. Until next time, lena iSisonke Podcast Network, proudly sponsored by OTR Brands. And ngizonishare bafethu i-QR code ye OTR Brands ne. Nizoyithola khona if you want to place an order with them. Thank you very much bafethu. Danko.
Salute.